Okay, so I'm really not sure what this is. Oh, I know what this is. So I ordered Okay guys, so I did something different this month. I ordered a Etsy it's a vintage sewing kit. And this is what it came in. It came in this package. And this is the beautiful packaging. So we're gonna start with this. I love the ribbon, it's beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, look at this. Vintage buttons. Oh, I love those. Those are gorgeous. Oh, look at this. There's still candy in the bottom of the container. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, those are beautiful. You see that? Oh, I love these. These are beautiful. Okay, that's not candy in the bottom of the tin. That's actually the back of a button that's coming apart. See that? It's like coming apart in the middle. That's what all these little bits are. I don't think I'm going to be able to salvage it. It's okay. I love these. These are gorgeous. Lovely. Oh, wonderful. There's a piece of the back of that other button. Yeah, that's the shank. Some of these older pieces are pretty fragile, so that's not a surprise. Okay, so those are the buttons. And this is wrapped with a leather cord. I don't know about y'all, but I save my tissue paper for packaging for other things. It's a beautiful grass green ribbon. I've got a fan going in the background. I'm sorry for that extra noise. Oh my goodness. Oh no, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, seam binding. Oh, this is the good stuff. Hem tape. 3 yards of 100% rayon woven edging. Bias tape. 19 cents bias tape. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, this is a bias tape without the packaging on. 10 cents. Perfect. It's beautiful. Save all the ribbons and string. Okay, so this came with it too. Let's see what's in here. I'm excited. I love the kitty cat packaging. Oh, there's more individual packages in here. Oh, look at that. I love the folder. Isn't that folder amazing? I will link her store below. Y'all have to check this out. This is amazing. Oh, beautiful ribbon. Again, I just love the ribbon. It's probably rayon, but it's a beautiful checked ribbon, and it's got a little wire in the edge, so it's a little stiff. Perfect for packages. I don't know if I'm going to be able to save all the paper here. Oh, look at this. Ah, hooks and eyes. Oh, I love hooks and eyes. The older hooks and eyes are so sturdy and they're so amazing. They're so much better than the ones you get in the store today. Oh, snaps, my favorite thing. Snaps, I love snaps. Oh, this is a fun thing. Cover your fabric for a professional look. Contains buckle, prong, pattern, and eyelets. Oh, it's to make a fashion belt. Look at that. It gives you all the instructions of how to cover your belt. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Perfect. Me and my paper, I know. I'm gonna open this long one. More ribbon. This is not a wired ribbon, but it's still a check. I like how all the colors just kind of go together with the ribbon. We've got red and coral and pink. She did a really good job with this. This is clever. I mean, considering all these things are old, vintage, and possibly partially used. I mean, the buttons are really good. Snaps are a really good example. Somebody's obviously used some off of it. So these are not necessarily all off the rack items. She has really made a nice effort to make it beautiful and shiny and new looking for you. Oh, zippers. Oh, I needed zippers. That's amazing. So a Mystic Blue zipper. This one is 14 inches. This is a moss green. Can you see that? 14-inch magic zip. This is black. This is a 22-inch. Oh, this one's a nice one. 22-inch navy zipper. Oh, this one's been opened in the back. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, these are amazing. Awesome. Okay, and this is our last one. Again, a beautiful ribbon. This time she really used a long ribbon. I like that. Love ribbons and trim and stuff. Oh, this is the part that I was really excited about. I wasn't sure if she was going to include any. I have a hankering for traditional old-fashioned patterns. I have a whole box of them. I don't use them very often, but I love them. Oh, yes. Oh, look at this. A printed size 36. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like it might... It's still factory folded. It doesn't look like the folder is in, but the instructions and the factory folded pattern all seem to be here. Holy moly, look at that. That is a find. It's a beautiful dress, isn't it? Oh my goodness, I think I actually had this pattern at one point. This is hilarious. I wonder if this one's actually complete. The one I had before wasn't complete. Looks like, well, the pieces have been cut, so we'll see if we're missing any. I used to actually have a dress that my mother made when she was in college, high school, college, that was from this pattern. And I wore it actually for a while. It was really comfortable. I also didn't have hips at the time, so we'll see. Oh, I have drooled over this pattern before. This is Butterick. Okay, so this one's Butterick 7750. This was Simplicity 8872. And It looks like some of the pieces are still factory folded. It does look like some of the pieces have been undone. So the pattern may be complete or it may not. We'll see. Oh, this is adorable. Simplicity 9103. Isn't that adorable? And that would be really easy to lengthen too. It looks like it's from the 70s or 80s. It's definitely been used, not factory folded. I don't know if all the pieces are here, and it looks like it's possibly even missing the instruction. But it has all the pictures of the pattern pieces on the back. Something that I found really helpful if you get an old pattern and you're missing the instructions, a lot of times just looking at the pieces and understanding basic pattern construction, most of the time you can figure it out. It's the ones that are really old, like the old ones, like the ones from 1930s. They're tricky because the 1930s ones, I think this one's the 1940s or 50s. If you don't have the instructions on some of the old ones, so this one does have pictures of the pattern pieces, that's handy. If you don't have pictures of the pattern pieces on the packaging, that's when it gets really tricky, because what does this piece do and what's it for? And it's really hard to figure out. But anyway, so that's the long and the short. This is a haul from an Etsy store, and it's a vintage, it's like the monthly subscription that you get for like craft things and art things. But this one is specifically an Etsy store, and she scrounges for vintage items and gives you a haul. And honestly, this is very much worth my money. I will link her store below. I really highly encourage you to check her out. It was a test for me, and I'm so glad that I did it. This is amazing. And I hope you enjoyed it too.